Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change OrcaSlicer to dark mode. So what you're going to do is look at the top left menu bar of OrcaSlicer, and next to the file you will see this icon. It looks like a paper. So click on that, and here you will find preferences. Also you can open it just pressing Ctrl P on your keyboard. On Windows, or on Mac you will use CMD plus P. So like that, we have opened our preferences. Make sure you are on the General tab right here. Tap of the preferences window, scroll down toward the bottom of the list of options, as you can see right here, and you will find somewhere this enable dark mode. So settings and enable dark mode. So just click on that and it will turn on. And this is pretty much what you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.